Okay, welcome back to Cooking with the Robies. So, you know what time it is. It's Thanksgiving time. So, got to get my turkey ready. I'm going to brine my turkey. Now, this turkey came with a packet of some kind of juice in it, and I'm going to keep that. And I'm going to keep the neck bone. I'm going to use that, make some of the gravy, make like a broth for my string beans. But anyway, got a 15-pound bird. Nice bird. I don't need this temp probe in here, so we're gonna take that, just take that off to the side. But anyway, yeah, here we go. Big bird. Gonna be brining it. I'll show you the brining ingredients here in a minute. But yeah, let's get with it. All right, so now we're gonna get the brine ready for. I got a gallon of water in here. Already got it turned up. I'm going to be using two large onions, 2 large navel oranges, 2 lemons. Also going to be using some rosemary. This is thyme, and I'm just going to bundle this whole parsley thing, batch up, stick that in there. So let's get everything cut and get it ready. Okay, while I'm waiting for the water to heat up, I'm gonna already throw in cut up my 2 navel oranges. Just gonna toss them in here. I can put them in now because we're gonna wait for this to brine anyway. Gonna get my onion. Just gonna chop those in quarters. Toss those in. It's gonna be a rough cut because all this stuff is just for the seasoning anyway. Gonna go ahead and squeeze my 2 limes in here. Toss that in there. Now remember, this is for a 15-pound bird, so, and I already bunched these parsley, and stick that in there, rosemary, and thyme. Next, I'm gonna come back and put the last key touches on it. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna add our dry ingredients in. We're gonna be putting 1 cup of kosher salt. Might seem like a lot of. This is a block of brown sugar. That's about a cup. I'm going to be adding some cloves. 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Then to top it off, I'm going to be adding 5 bay leaves. So we'll dump these in there. Okay, bring this to, let's get this all mixed up in here. What I'm going to do is bring this to a boil. When it gets to a boil, I'm going to let it go for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think everything should be dissolved now. Just double checking. Okay, I'm adding ice from my dispenser. Luckily, I got a refrigerator that would actually make excess ice in this big bin here, and along with the ice maker. So let's add some ice in here. Just shut this down, get it cool real quick. Get her in the bucket there. Once it gets down cool enough so I can put my finger in it, and I know it's not gonna, we just don't want it cooking the turkey any longer. All right, so I got my 5-gallon bucket. This is food grade. I picked this up at Lowe's. They do have food grade buckets. So I'm gonna attempt. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna be using this 2-gallon cup to get some of the brine out before I go try to turn it over in here. I can see me making a mess, so let's get most of it off. But that's how everything should look, falling apart. And that should be enough where I can dump the rest out in here. Alright, got her all cooled down. Now I'm gonna dump this turkey in there. I'm gonna dump it in this way. A lot of people put legs first, but I got a big enough bucket. I'm gonna put her down in here. She's all submerged. Alright, so this is how we should look. Submerged totally under the water. We're gonna put a top on it. This is going for 48 hours. We're gonna stick it in the garage. It's cool outside right now, so yeah. We'll see you back in 48 hours. Just for safe measures, I topped her off with ice. Get this lid on here. Call it good. All right. Okay, it's 48 hours later. I'm gonna get the turkey out of this brine, stop the burning process. Oh, it smells so good. Let's get it out with this. Dump her over. Get anything out inside out. Oh yeah, let's brine good. I'm gonna get some napkins. Pat it down. The cavity. And then what I'll do with this is it's gonna sit in the fridge overnight. Today's Wednesday. So we got a 48-hour brine on this. And I'm gonna just pat her down. Put it in the fridge overnight. Let the skin dry out a little bit. And then tomorrow we'll start the seasoning and get this turkey ready. Alright, so here's our turkey. 48-hour brine. We're gonna start seasoning it up. First off, I patted it dry. I'm gonna put some butter flavored cooking oil over this. Okay, first off, I'm going to be going into, yeah, it's open. I'm going to be putting me a layer of, this is Kendrick's all-purpose seasoning. I got it at Costco. This is a dry rub. It's a fire and flavor. This will be the kicker to the chicken, to the bird. Get the breast side. Now I'm going to be cooking mine in a roasting pan in the oven. And I'm going to be basting it every hour. I'm going to be using the turkey drippings that actually fall off. I'm going to be using that for the basting. Might add a little butter in there, but we'll see. We'll see how that turns out. Alright. Now I'm going to add some aromatics. I'm going to stuff her. I've got two apples. I diced them into cubes. I'm going to be putting those inside her. I don't know why I keep saying her. Why do we call turkeys her when we're cooking it? I wonder, you guys comment in the description, do women call it him? Don't know. But I want to stuff some. I got some of my leftover rosemary, what I took the leaves off of, but there's still so much aromatics in this. I'm going to stick that in there too. I think that's about it for that. Gonna tie the legs with some butcher twine. Be back in a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna get my legs here. I got some butcher's twine. I'm gonna get my legs here and cross them. Get these tied up so nothing falls out of this bird. And we got that ready. Now I'm going to sit her in the roasting pan. Okay, got my turkey out. It's about an hour in. Already got my seasoning ready. Alright, so now let's baste it. Remember, this is butter and garlic. Gotta get the little trigger out of there. There we go. We're gonna go back in the oven for another hour. The oven's still going. Woo. It's hot. All right,